You can sit down. You gonna be on TV. You gonna be on computers and all of that. Where you just coming from?
The dentist.
What they do with your teeth?
They clean it.
So let me see. Oh, Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, they bright.
And I got a doll from I was reading good. And I got floss to clean my tooth.
You got floss?
And this.
Let me see. Have to clean your tooth? What's your name?
Kayla.
For real? You love your daddy?
Yeah.
Why you love him for?
Because he's always there for us.
You say what?
He's always there for us.
Who's he?
Daddy.
Who's your daddy?
King Ransom.
That's my name?
Yeah.
Oh. How old are you?
7.
When your birthday?
March 5th.
So what you about to be?
A
You about
teenager.
to, you ain't be no teenager. Teenager ain't no 8. You about to be 8 years old? What you want for your birthday?
I want a Cadillac. I want a Hannah Montana bag. I want a suitcase and.
Alright, that's enough. What you want to be when you grow up?
A wonderful teacher. No, a dentist.
You want to be a dentist? Ain't nothing wrong with that.